We guide you through how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone safely and correctly. Start by unlocking your device and opening the Settings app. Then, tap your Apple ID at the top and go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when asked, then scroll down until you see Stolen Device Protection. Tap it and choose Turn Off. Apple will require you to authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID, and depending on your settings, you may also need to enter your Apple ID password as extra layer of security. After confirming, the feature will disable, allowing you to use your iPhone without the extra location based security restrictions. Just remember that turning this off reduces the protection Apple adds in case your device is stolen. So, only disable it if you fully understand the risk of temporarily need more flexibility.